Hello friends, I'm Rahul Kaushik. I'm pursuing my BTech from Automation Robotics in Gulzar Group of Institute, Khanna. I belong from Ludhiana. I'm doing my 2 months of software training in EME Technologies. I'm pursuing my 2 months training in AutoCAD, Catia, and SolidWorks. My teacher name is Sayyam Mahajan. He is very friendly and politely in nature. The way of his teaching is much better than any others. He is very cheerful, and he as he have wide experience in this field. So the way of explaining and teaching is very healthy and